Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Wireless Network Watcher and running it with elevated rights so you see all local traffic. Once launched, choose the exact wireless adapter tied to your network, then hit refresh to start scanning. You want a live snapshot now. The app will enumerate IPs, MAC, and host names. Make sure your PC is on the same subnet as the router, and pause any VPNs or virtual adapters that could hide devices. Once you have results, sort and scan visually to pick out unfamiliar entries. Sorting by MAC vendor helps reveal phones, cameras, or EOT devices. You should ping or trace an unknown IP to confirm activity, and note its hostname and last seen time. After that, label each known device in your notes so repeat scans highlight new intruders. If multiple unknowns persist, cross-reference with DHCP client list in your router to correlate entries. To finish, remove unauthorized devices by blocking their MAC or changing your Wi-Fi password and reconnecting trusted devices. This prevents re-entry. Then enable WPA2 or WPA3 security and update router firmware for stronger protection. Schedule regular scans and keep an inventory so you spot changes fast. If scans show nothing or miss devices, check your wireless adapter settings, disable firewall rules that block local discovery, and rerun the tool as administrator to restore full visibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.